The engine has numerous oil passages running through it. The oil pump sucks oil from the sump and forces it first through the oil filter, then through these passages to the rotating components of the engine to keep them lubricated and cooled. Under certain conditions, sludge deposits may build up around the pickup tube and inside the small passages, restricting oil flow to the moving parts and potentially causing engine damage. Inadequate lubrication around the pistons can lead to scoring on the cylinder walls or damage to the bearings that allow the crankshaft to rotate. Cleaning chemicals have been developed to dissolve sludge deposits found in the oil system. The chemical is added to the oil, and the engine is run for 5 to 10 minutes so that the cleaning chemical has sufficient time to dissolve the sludge and circulate through the engine. The oil is then drained, along with the dissolved sludge deposits. The oil filter is changed, and the engine is refilled with new oil, meeting the manufacturer's specification. With the sludge removed, the oil is able to reach all engine parts and ensure that they are correctly lubricated.